Here the boat goes in the water.
Okay, okay.
Cheap watches and a fake Christmas tree. A faraway face, a faraway song is made in a faraway face, a faraway song, a faraway song is made in Hong Kong. I hate handmade paper that's made in Hong Kong. Paper that's made in Hong Kong. Handmade paper. I hate handmade paper. We went on a big adventure. We went to Thomas Town. We didn't go in a bus with no seats. We went in a car that was brown. And we stopped for some petrol. We stopped at Aldi's. We filled up with beer and we looked at a tool you couldn't get anywhere else but here. And on that tool could do 1,000 things, and it was only €7, and I'll bet it danced and sings. But I hate handmade paper. I hate handmade paper. But I love the place I'm in. Christmas trees made of plastic and all kinds of fake things, but I hate handmade paper that's made in Hong Kong. I love handmade paper that's made in Hong Kong. I love handmade paper that's made in Hong Kong. We got one more verse to fit into this song. Well, here I just sit. We went to Thomastown and I went to the public conveniences to have a think and a sip. And I read my newspaper and I caught up with news, and I sat down too hard, and for that reason I think I got the blues, because I love handmade paper. Stuck to the wall, the public toilet was some handmade paper. Oh, and I just feel like